In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change the logo in WordPress with this step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're a beginner or have a bit of experience with WordPress, changing your logo can give your site a fresh new look, and it's simpler than you might think. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. This is your main hub for managing all things related to your WordPress site. Once you're there, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page, where you'll see a Login button. Go ahead and click on that to access your WordPress account. You'll need your login credentials, so have those handy. Enter your email and password, and you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in and on your dashboard, it's time to focus on the left-hand side menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Appearance. Click on it. The Appearance section is where you can make changes to how your site looks, which of course includes the logo. Within the Appearance tab, you'll find the Customize button. This is where the magic happens. Click on Customize and a set of options will appear on your screen. Next, we need to navigate to the Site Identity section. This area contains the settings for your site title, tagline, and logo. Click on Site Identity to open up more detailed options. Within the Site Identity settings, look for Site, Title, and Logo settings, and click on it. You're getting closer now. Once you're in the Site, Title, and Logo settings, select the Logo option. Clicking here allows you to change or update your current logo. You'll see a button labeled Change Logo. This is your pathway to a new look. Click Change Logo, and it will prompt you to either upload a new logo from your computer or choose one from your media library if you have previously uploaded images there. If you're uploading a new logo, simply browse your files. Select the logo you wish to use and upload it. Make sure your new logo is a good fit for your website's design. It's often best to use a logo with a transparent background and ensure it's appropriately sized for your theme's requirements. After you've uploaded or selected your new logo, you'll likely have the option to crop or adjust it. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Publish or Save button at the top of the Customizer screen and click it to apply the new logo to your site. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your logo in WordPress. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you wish to update your logo in the future. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!